Inserting an image is a lot like inserting a text box. I can either click on the Images button right here on the top right corner. I can double click anywhere on my site and grab an image from here. I can actually just hit the Upload button, which lets me upload any type of document, not just images. Or if I drag one of the layouts, I can click the little plus button on the placeholder. And if I say Select Image, I'll be greeted with the actual image options here. So by default, it dumps me into my drive and any recent documents so I can see images that I've been working with recently. I can drop in a URL for a specific image. I can do a Google image search right here, and the cool thing about doing an image search here is it's automatically filtered to images that are not copywritten, so you can use these on your site, so you don't have to worry about any type of conflicting or licensing conflicts. You could also, alternatively, hit the Drive button just to browse your drive on the right-hand side. This is not just for images, but any of your documents. Or you can hit the Upload button and select an image that you have saved on your actual computer. So if I were to upload this Madison crest, I can see that it uploads the image. It automatically crops the image to fill the size of your placeholder. So this was the placeholder in the layout, and I can now drag this box, and if I change it to be roughly the same size as this crest, as far as like an aspect ratio goes, I can actually drag the crest to fit in the box. If I am using a layout, I can actually customize. So I can say, for example, drag my layout over, and I can say, welcome to my site. And it's still actually cutting off my crest here because this goes right to the edge of my image. It's kind of a tricky image to use. Alternatively, if I were to upload an image without, say, using a placeholder, so if I just click anywhere, it's going to upload the image in its own full scale. So sometimes when you're working with images, it's easier to actually just hit the image button and upload it rather than using the placeholder. Either way, you can always customize your image. And if I wanted to, I can always grab and drag these two text boxes to this new button here and delete this guy. So I have my image on my site. There's also other tools to work with images. So you have an image carousel. This is as if you wanted to have, say, like a slideshow or something like that at the top of your website. So if I were to click on the image carousel, I can select more than one image. In fact, it has to be obviously at least two to go between. So if I upload, let's say, a series of images here from my computer, it'll upload all the images and then create some type of carousel that users, when they visit your site, can actually flip through and see the collage. And when you're working with something like this, it's really good to switch to your preview window. So if I hit my little preview button, you can see what that carousel would actually look like. So I can actually hit the next button and flip between my images and see what it would look like from a user's point of view.